So check it out. I've been going through my locomotives I haven't run in a while, and I just pulled this NW2 switcher off the shelf. It's Lionel Postwar. It has the magne-traction. It also has the horn. It's a little battery box in there, which is kind of interesting that the Lionel did it that way. But I got the terminals cleaned up on the battery box, and I also sprayed the terminals on the relay so that the horn works really good. In the past, I had repaired the shell had cracked where the screw hole that holds it on. I guess that's pretty common for them to crack there. But I used some milliput putty and fixed it pretty good, and then I painted over some flat black. I didn't put the screw back in because I'll be taking the shell back off anyway to take the battery out. So I just left the screw out. So I thought we'd take it for a spin and check it out, and here we go. Then we'll try picking the camera up and following the train around a little bit. We just had the remnants of Hurricane Debbie go through, but thankfully my cellar stayed nice and dry, so I'm really thankful to the Lord for that. And we'll see if we can set the camera back down without causing too much harm. There we go. There we are. Okay, bring it in for a stop. All right, got it running really good. I've cleaned and oiled everything, and so I'm really happy with it. I haven't run it in quite a while. I also put some armor all on the shell just to kind of bring back a little bit of the shine. And so I got it looking pretty good. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.